Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert minute to hour in Google Sheets. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly, then ensure that minute is now convert from the hour. Now select from the hour option. Now keyword press from the equal. Now select from the first minute option. Now for select. Then press from the into and 24 slash 60. Now keyword press from the enter. That is now tick mark. Now click from the first hour option. Now going to the format option. Then click for the number icon option. Now click for the plain text option. Then select the all mark option. That is. Then show convert minute to hour in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for